Bronwen, first of all, congratulations. What does it mean? I mean, so young to get to pick up an award like this.
Yeah, it means a lot. I mean, obviously, just playing for your country means a lot, but you know, be picked as Young Player of the Year is amazing. It's a great honour. Yeah.
And the team itself, the squad itself, has done particularly well.
Yeah, they have done really well. With 17s, you know, we've just qualified, which is a huge achievement, and you know, I think it shows the way that football is going in Wales for women. So yeah, hopefully, bright future.
And for one so young, you've had the experience as well of being with the senior squad. What was that like?
Oh, it's amazing. I mean, they're really welcoming, and it's a brilliant experience. You know, I think from it I've improved a lot as a player, and you know, I've learnt a lot of stuff which I think will help me in my future career. So yeah, no, it's been amazing.
And you'll be hoping this is the first of many, I'm sure.
Hopefully, yeah. That's the aim.
Congratulations, well done.
Much.
Okay.